Welcome to Module 3. In the last module, we studied how Bipin Chowdhury was totally confused and disturbed. Bipin had a good reputation for being a tireless, conscientious worker. He did all his jobs perfectly well and he had a very good reputation in his firm. He lay down on his bed when he returned from work and tried to gather his wits. The incident of Ranchi had turned him down completely. He had always wanted to go to Ranchi, but he had not gone. Chunilal visited him often for a job. That day, when he was lying, he visited him again. He first rejected to meet him, but suddenly he thought he could know about the Ranchi incident from Chunilal, so he went to meet him. Chunilal was about to go when Bipin Chowdhury went to meet him. He asked to Chunilal, "Did I go to Ranchi in 1958? So Chunilal said, "Yes, you had gone." And he asked, "Have you taken to drugs? Because you look very tired." And he again asked, "Do you remember what my last job was?" Chunilal was working as a travel agent, and he said that he had fixed the railway booking for Ranchi for Bipin Chowdhury. And now he could not control the stare of Chunilal, and he said that, "I have been working too late nowadays. I think I must consult a physician." Bipin met Paresh Chanda, a young physician, and asked him to help him get rid of the illness. Paresh Chanda said that he had seen many patients, but this kind of a case was entirely new to him. The doctor had never heard of such a case before. He suggested that he would prescribe some nerve tonic and a tranquilizer. He asked Bipin to revisit Ranchi again so that when he sees the places, he may recollect the incident. He may recollect that he had been to Ranchi and what all happened to him at Ranchi. Bipin left to Ranchi, but every place seemed new to him. He could not recollect anything. The hotels, the bazaars, the buildings, everything was new to him. He even went to the Hudru Falls, and he was there when a group of picnickers discovered Bipin Babu lying unconscious beside a boulder. He came back in Calcutta and he realized that there was no hope for him. He asked Dr. Chanda to go over and meet him, and he was lying on his bed when the servant brought him a letter which someone had left in the letter box. The greenish envelope with his name had on it "Urgent and Confidential." Bipin Babu had a feeling that he ought to go through the letter. He tore open the envelope and took out the letter. This is what it read: "Dear Bipin, I had no idea that affluence would bring about the kind of change in you that it has done. Was it so difficult for you to help out an old friend down on his luck? I have no money, so my resources are limited. What I have is imagination, a part of which I used in retribution of your unfeeling behavior." The letter was written by Chunilal, and then when Chanda came to meet him, Bipin said that my memory had come back when I went to Ranchi, and what he needed was a painkiller because he had fallen in Hudru Falls and he had a hip pain. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much.